Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cheat on Kahoot mobile app. Let's get started. You can't simply cheat on Kahoot, but I can say tips to improve your performance. Kahoot questions are usually multiple choice with answers shown in the colored shapes. The question appears on the host screen and your phone shows only the answer choices, so always keep an eye on both if possible. First, open the Kahoot app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on Discover at the bottom. Search for a topic like math quiz or history test. Play this alone to practice your reaction time and get used to the question style. Quickly scan the question on the screen and only then look at your answer options. Many players panic and look at the answer first, then fall into that trap. You get more points for fast answer, but wrong answer gives you 0. Accuracy first, speed second. Once you are confident, your speed will improve naturally. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.